Welcome back to the channel, and OMG am I excited. This is something really different for us.
Really different.
Really different. Honestly, this could be the answer to my prayers actually. If you're a regular to our channel, you will know that Mark is, let's say, gravity challenge when it comes to walking and standing.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Oh! No way! Oh! So there you go, that just proves a point. I've always said, is there something out there that can help me and help Mark just stay on his feet a bit better? And it was just the other week we received an email, and really? OMG, I've jumped straight all over this, haven't we? We have been sent something that could be amazing. It could be the answer of all our problems or Mark's problems.
And it's not a sandwich bag to put my butties in or my Chinese, is it?
It's not, unfortunately. We were contacted by a company called Hypershell, and they've kindly offered to send us, Mark, a pair of new legs. It's the Exoskeleton. So I'm going to get my wish come true. I'm going to get my own robotic Mark. Yeah.
And you might want to say, what is an exoskeleton? And it's not like, I'm not going to be like Iron Man, but nearly, but not quite.
Not Robocop, no. A new and improved version, an upgrade of Mark.
It basically straps around your waist, it straps around your legs, and it helps you in so many ways to walk, to climb. I'm going to come here today at Hotnitsa Waterfalls. We're back in Bulgaria, as you know. We're going to do some mountaineering, aren't we? So.
Well, we've come here because we want to put it under a few tests, and Hotnitsa is the best place. To say it's a bit unsteady under your feet and rough terrain, off-roading, we're going to throw you some really good tests with Mark wearing it and see how it fares. But yeah, I'm either crazy or this is going to be amazing.
You might be thinking, what is an exoskeleton? I'm going to show you right now what it is. And this model is a Hypershell X Ultra S. Comes in a nice nifty case. Have a look at this. I already have had it out the original packaging because obviously I have been using it. I've been using it loads, haven't I, since I got it. As you can see, it's all packed in. It comes with a spare battery. When it's packed away, there's just a few little things you need to do. There's some adjustments to be made so it fits around your waist. I know what my setting is, and that just alters the waist size so it'll fit you, Lisa, and it'll fit me as well. Once you've done the waist adjustment, it's a simple case of strapping it on and going for a run or a walk or a hike or anything else you want to do. And that's it, we've suited and booted. Does it suit me?
Yeah, my very own Robocop.
What I do like about it, you can put your shirt over it if you want. If you've got a baggy shirt, you haven't got to have it just like that. But you can move as it is, it's not turned on or anything. You can move your legs and everything, you can see how it works. You've got two motors, one either side, and that's what does all the work and that's what helps. And I tell you what, the first time you put one of these on, the sensation is something else. It goes from you feeling almost weightlessness. That's the only thing I can explain it. And it's almost like when I've used it quite a bit, it's almost like if you were riding an e-bike and getting assistance, it's like an e-bike for your legs.
So is it an upgrade for your legs then, Mark?
It certainly is an upgrade, yes. It is for me, isn't it? I like these pieces here with the Hypershell logo on there, so they're mega strong. They're like new thigh bones, if you will. So.
And when you say you don't have to have it on shore, people actually have it under the clothes, don't they?
Yeah, well, I mean, you'll be at legs bit, but you can put the other piece on the outside. You know, if you've got a baggy enough shirt, or you can put a coat on and go over the top. So I'll turn it on and I'll show you how it comes on. So turn it on is as simple as pressing the button once to unlock and then holding it, and you get a 4 lights count up, and then it comes on and it goes into the mode what it's set to. At the minute it's green, which is like the economy mode, and straight away just going like that, the sensation, it's like, you can't describe it, you know. It is. You've not actually tried these on yet, have you?
I haven't tried them on yet, no.
But it's almost like someone's lifting your legs up, controlled by AI. So while I'm not moving, if I go like that, it just feels a bit of assistance. But there's nothing. It's not trying to pick your legs up so you're dancing around like I don't know what. It's just basically. But as soon as you start to move, it helps. Honestly, it's so hard to try and explain, but you'll get the reaction from you in a bit. We'll let you try it in a bit.
The best explanation you've given me, Mark, since you've been trialling these, is you feel like it's, when you get on an e-bike, you feel the difference. You feel like it's the ease. So it's like a new e-bike for your legs, isn't it?
And I've been walking, I've been using them around the house, up and down the steps since we've been back in Bulgaria. It reduces the heart rate from strenuous activities like going up your stairs and everything else by 42%, and it can reduce your oxygen consumption by 39%. And even straight away, as I've said, when you turn them on, the assistance, I mean, it's unbelievable. Walking up here, it's like there's just, it's the steps when you take your step and you push yourself. It's almost like I'm 2 stone and that's it. It's unbelievable how easy it is to walk up hills. First thoughts when you're going for a walk, it's almost like, I can't say it feels like you sat down while you're walking, but it's so relaxing having it. So for me, when I've walked for any distance before, it soon becomes sort of tiring, if you understand what I mean. But having these on, it's just something else. It just feels like there's no exertion. And this is just on the basic mode, just walking on normal terrain. I think you're going to have a problem keeping up with me, Lee, so when I get going with these, I'll be off, won't I? We'll come to Nitsa today, and I don't really think there's any need to drive back. I'll just run back.
So it's all well and good walking on the flat. We need to put this to a bit more of a test.
Yeah.
And I've got just a place. Come and have a look at this. Let's see how you fare on these, because I'd not normally let you go up anything like this. So let's see how you feel on your feet walking up here with your exoskeleton on.
And now I'm going to show you something really special. The intuitive AI system recognises when you're going downhill, and it's got a descent mode pre-built in. So when you're going downstairs or declines or slopes, it automatically activates and it takes a lot of pressure and strain off your knees. I'm sure a lot of you'll know up and down steep hills and lots of steps going down, the pressure it puts on your knees, it's unbelievable. And this helps absorb and take away a lot of that pressure. There you go, done it all in one piece without having a mishap.
How was that?
It was all right. It definitely helps. I mean, some of them steps are really big, but if you're going down here, like that down there, it takes off the pressure. It sort of absorbs a lot of the shock to your knees and the pressure as you're going downhill.
So, how are you faring?
Very good, yeah, I feel like an athlete.
Mark's had these on now for a good few days, hasn't he? You've been trying them, and he's come back and said that he's just given them really, really good reports. So I'm going to have a go at them. Let me see what I think.
And you genuinely not had them. You've not been nowhere near. You don't touch the stuff, do you? When I'm going through it all. But you haven't. You're going to put them on it because there's things like the assistance mode. There's a rocket mode, what gives you 60 seconds more power, and it's like unbelievable the amount of assistance. It's like someone's lifting your legs up. And then there's a resistive mode, like an exercise mode, and it only explains if you're walking in a swimming pool, it feels like that, like a resistance.
Like you're wading through water.
Yeah, I'll show it and you'll see what I mean.
Can you just put it on a normal mode for me then,
yeah,
please?
Yeah. Right, so you know how to turn it on.
Why am I so nervous? I'm really nervous. I've never done anything like this.
You'll be off, won't you? You'll be pew like road.
But I will say, from it fitting you to fitting me, 2 adjustments and it's done. You make it small around the belt and just tighten it onto your legs and it's on.
That's it. And you don't even know it's there. Even now with no switched on, there's no...
No, you can feel there's something on your legs, obviously, but... Yeah. So, touch it once. Oh.
There you go, lift your leg up and you'll feel it now.
Oh! Oh, it does it all right. Oh, it's really fast.
No, it's as fast as you want it to be.
No, it's going really fast. It really is.
Well, that's because it's helping you walk, isn't it? But you have a walk now and you'll see what I mean. Just walk.
It feels like it wants me to go really fast, though.
Well, it just helps because it makes your legs feel light, doesn't it? Like you're weightless. Just walk normal, you haven't got a thing.
Oh, it's weird. It's like someone's got strings on your legs and they're pulling them up like a puppet.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like, you know when you have an e-bike and it gives you assistance mode going up an hill? It's like that, isn't it?
Wow, it's like someone's literally just going like that with your legs.
Yeah, but that's what I said, like someone's helping your legs. It's hard to explain. It's a sense of, but if you stop, you don't feel anything, do you? There's nothing there.
Well, it's designed to move with your natural rhythm, isn't it?
It's the AI, isn't it? It detects what you're doing, and then with the app on the phone, I can alter the power setting for
I
you.
feel like I should have some guns. I feel like a cowboy. Yeah, there is a bit of movement when you're moving around, so...
As you can see, it's now, if I put it on hyper mode, lift your leg up now. You feel it's even...
Oh, no, it's really fast.
It's like it's pushing you, isn't it? And when I mentioned about the turbo, the rocket mode...
All right, no, stop!
You get 30 seconds of that. That gives you 30 seconds like that.
You're joking, it's like a workout.
Right, I'll put it back on eco. Right, I'll put it down. That's 15% now. So basically, the more power you have, the actual more battery it uses, as simple as that. Let me just show you the fitness mode.
Oh.
Right, you have a walk now there, and you know what I mean about when I said about walking in water.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh.
It looks like you're putting it on, but it genuinely...
I'm not. It's like the resistance is there. It's real.
So
it's like
you might have people say to you, "Well, it's all right, but you're not getting your exercise." But if you want, you can use it for an exercise system. You don't actually need to assist you all the time.
I've seen people go for walks and they have like weights on their ankles, and that's exactly how it feels. It feels like someone's put a weight on my leg, and I'm having to push my way through to walk.
It's like you're actually walking in like a swimming pool, isn't it?
That's amazing, isn't it?
And while you're walking, let me put it back on the other mode again.
Oh yeah, someone's just released it and I'm off walking again. I do look like I'm walking strange though.
Yeah, but you wouldn't need to do that. But can you imagine if you go up a steep hill, how easy it is? It's like you're walking. When I walked up that side of the water earlier, it was like I was walking up, it was just on straight. It's just weird.
And it doesn't just lift your leg up and plonk it down. It's like...
It absorbs, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's just working with my natural movement. Hey, I like these. It's just that getting used to it.
Yeah, it's clever, isn't it? It's really clever.
And like I say, it's not heavy on your body. If after about an hour, you'll probably get used to it and you'll forget that you're wearing it, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
But wow. And it's smooth as well. That carbon fiber's really nice, isn't it? It feels like a really good piece of kit. I tell you what, I think you're going to struggle getting these back off me. I feel like Superwoman. And it's no exaggeration at all. I'm not here to try and push it on anybody. I'm giving you my honest opinion. These are amazing. I love them.
Yeah, for me, it's not going to stop you from tripping over if you're going to be tripping over tree roots and falling in water and stuff. But what I would say, anyone who's finding it difficult, a bit of a challenge to walk as far as you want to walk, or to give you a bit more of a boost if you're going up a lot of hills and you're doing a bit of outdoor pursuits, it's definitely worth a shot, isn't it? It really is.
Yeah, you have a tendency not to put your feet up properly, that's what it is, and I think these are just going to be an absolute game changer for you.
But we'll be featuring in more of our videos, because I find when we're going out showing you around places around, whether it's UK or Bulgaria or Spain or whatever, where the cities and the bigger towns, after a couple of hours I'm like...
You are tired, your legs are tired, aren't they? So might get a bit more out of you with these on anyway. So yeah, if you're interested in anything like this, the link will be in the description below. And I'd like to say thank you to Hypershell for sponsoring this video.